Welcome back to Strongman Personal Finance, everybody. My name is Christopher Bell. I'm a certified public accountant. I'm a long-term boglehead investor. I'm author of the book Stop Being a Broke Loser. It's on Amazon for $3. I'm an amazing cup and t-shirt designer. Links in the description. And I didn't know this, but apparently Tesla, the amazing stock, is going to 1,000x from here. I'm not even exaggerating, ladies and gentlemen. Tesla is going to be a $1 quadrillion company. You just wait and see. I'm just kidding. That's one of the dumbest things I've ever heard in my freaking life. That's what this clown right here said. I don't know who is this. Just some robot-looking, disgusting creature. So this video was put out by Solving the Truck Stop Problem. If you don't know who that is, it's actually solving the money problem. All he does is talk about Tesla day in and day out. Tesla's the future. Buy Tesla no matter what. It's going to 1,000x. And he really believes this. Like, he's not even exaggerating. This guy's a freaking maniac. So let's watch a little bit of this video. And I want to hear the justifications for why Tesla is going to 1,000x. Because nowadays, you can just say the most obnoxious crap on YouTube, and I think a lot of people actually believe it. They actually believe it because they see how Tesla's gone up in the past, and they just extrapolate that going forward. So let's see how Tesla is going to become a $1 quadrillion, not just a trillion, a $1 quadrillion company. This is totally legit, bro. Let's watch this clown right here explain why.
The Model 3 and Model Y, original body in white, were designed by teams at SpaceX. Tesla does something entirely different, and they release new models in, well, there's updates about every 3 hours. And that's change in shape of the metal in the car, the electronics, different circuits, different software about every 3 hours. And many of those projects are 3 hours long. Some of those are 3 months long. And in aggregate, you have a pace of change that the rest of the industry does not even understand.
At the end of the interview, you said something like, by the way, Tesla will be worth 1,000x more. So did you really believe that? And why do you say that?
1,000x is conservative. Yeah.
How does this guy knows he's full? Like, how does he not freaking laugh? Okay, and this guy didn't laugh either. And he's probably like, as soon as the video closed. But yeah, this guy's a freaking clown. Okay, wow, Tesla's so innovative. That means they're going to become a $1 quadrillion company. Okay, Tesla's going to be almost 1,000 times bigger than Facebook, Apple. Well, 500 times bigger than Apple, Amazon. Obviously, a car company. Obviously, because there's a $1 quadrillion market for cars. Duh.
Tesla is going way past the moon.
Hey, I'm Steven, and this is
Solving the Truck Stop Problem.
If you're new,
welcome.
If you're not,
welcome back.
So now and then, my inboxes on social media, Twitter, Instagram, and also on Patreon absolutely blow up. Occasionally, it's your girlfriend sending me nudes. Always appreciated.
Yes. My girlfriend is totally sending this guy nudes. I mean, this guy, look at this freeze frame. Yeah, she's sending him nudes. He's just an absolute slayer. I mean, he is rich. He has Tesla stock, and Tesla stock is going to go to the company's going to go to $1 quadrillion in the near future. So maybe my wife will leave me for this handsome man. Maybe I've been wrong this whole time. Let's see.
However, sometimes there's an interview, a video, something that pops up on YouTube that I get inundated with requests to react to, and this is one of those cases. Over the past few days, I have received dozens upon dozens of DMs from people saying, dude, you've got to watch this interview, you've got to react to this, blah, blah, blah. Today, I'm giving the people what they want. In this video, I'll be reacting to some highlights from a fantastic new interview by Alejandro Sajoquillo, who speaks to Joe Justice, a former Tesla employee who leaks a ton of stunning details about how the company works, what makes Tesla different from pretty much every other company on planet Earth, how they innovate and move so quickly, and why he firmly believes that Tesla stock is going to, wait for it, 1,000x from where we are today. I'm not even kidding. And I thought I was a Tesla hyperbull. As always, there's a link in the description of the full interview. And with that said, let's get into the video. If you love...
Oh, maybe he doesn't believe it's going to 1,000x. Maybe he only believes it's going to 500x. All right, so here he is shilling his crypto. Let's actually see if he freaking says why. Let's start right here.
Global income and versions of global healthcare, making sure you're taken care of.
Oh, I like how there's a lucid advertisement for the Tesla video.
Because quite potentially Musk companies will change the world to the point that work is no longer needed or even helpful. Now, Musk gets that too. Musk is already thinking about what government means and talks about government as a business at the limit, a business with a monopoly on violence. And Musk is attempting to set up, it certainly looks like, and I believe it, a peaceful, business-friendly, respectful, healthy replacement for government with Mars and potentially the moon base as a prototype. And working in Tesla is a mini prototype of that. You essentially get universal basic income, awesome healthcare, and if the company does well, you get massive money through stock returns. Well, Musk, it looks like he's attempting to create a government model like that. Now, Musk
is creating a utopia, universal healthcare, universal basic income, infinite wealth. He's going to abolish governments. There's going to be a peaceful, delicious corporate government that's going to replace those evil, nasty governments. And this all starts with Tesla. Can y'all not see the lunacy that these people believe? And I don't know if this guy's just a massive troll. I love how this freeze frame right here. Or if he actually believes this. I actually believe a lot of Tesla fanboys are actually this demented. I'm not even freaking joking, okay? This guy right here, you can see his expression. I don't know what he thinks. We'll hear in a second. But these people are literally freaking maniacs. They think Musk is just going to literally solve every problem in the world and make life great and beautiful for everybody. It's freaking madness, okay? Let's see what solving the truck stop problem has to say.
Cannot be elected as president of the United States because Musk was not born in the United States. There's a current law in the U.S. specifying that. Musk already has Giga Berlin, Giga Shanghai, and already looking towards India and others. Musk isn't settling for any one country and has never been a nationalist. Musk is about progress for the light of consciousness. So,
progress for consciousness. This is such a cult.
When we watch Star Trek and they've replaced money with credits and they've replaced government with the United Federation of Planets, Elon is essentially building the United Federation of Planets, and Elon is replacing currency with credits, and those credits are Bitcoin for large holdings and Dogecoins for low transaction.
Is this guy real? He can't be real. I need to actually do like a reaction to this video. This guy's a friggin' maniac. So Musk is replacing currency. He's doing this. He's doing that. Everything, bro. We're going to be using Dogecoin on Mars. I think Final Stand said that as well. So I think this is actually a real thing these people believe. Freaking crazy.
Cost typical holdings. Bitcoin is the new gold. Dogecoin is the new peso or dollar or yen or euro. So now you add up the entire market cap of money and the entire value of harvestable materials through Optimus subprime, through the Tesla bot. And you take the concept of government and taxation, multiply them all by 10 because they've been innovated. And that is the future value of Tesla.
I'm very curious what everybody watching thinks. Let me know in the comments below. Does this make
Who becomes a Twilio developer? People who code as a side hustle. People who lead
sense? Is it completely crazy, or is it somewhere in between? As I said, I thought I was a Tesla hyperball. Those of you who are on Patreon who have access to my Tesla stock price targets, the bull case in particular, will know exactly why I'm saying that. My 2031 bull case price target for Tesla stock seems absolutely ludicrous, but it is grounded in assumptions. It is being produced by my valuation model. And I think over the much longer term, there's certainly room for Tesla to continue growing well past that point as well. But I am having some difficulty digesting these comments from Joe. And by the way, check out the link in the description of the full interview.
You know what's funny is, if somebody makes this guy look ludicrous, the other guy's just beyond insanity, okay? Now, this guy's valuation of Tesla is freaking ridiculous. I think he had, what was it, like $12,000 in the next 10 years, which is freaking madness in and of itself, a $12 trillion company, or even higher. But to actually get his most updated valuation, you have to actually sign up for his, was it Patreon? Patreon, which... Of course, you're more than welcome to do that, but I don't recommend that. So that was just a little entertaining video. I like seeing how he kind of hypes this freaking degenerate moron. And I really wonder how many of his fans actually believe that Tesla will 1000x. I truly believe people believe this. I think this is such a cult, and that guy kind of personified the cult of Tesla, that you can see it. An electric car company, okay? Fill up your car with gas, charge it with electricity, but it's still a freaking car. So that's it. I just wanted to react to this video. At least he didn't agree with it. I thought he would, but because this guy's that much of a maniac, but I guess he didn't. So anyway, I guess that's it for tonight. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about me. Y'all have a wonderful night. Cheers!